Hi, welcome to Quail Digital. In this video, we will show you how to set up the Pro11 healthcare headset system in your facility. The system comprises a base station with a power supply, headsets with batteries, and a charger station with power supplies. This printed copy of the setup instructions comes with the system and includes useful advice and tips for using the system, including the contact number of your service provider. The first thing to do is connect the battery charger. Identify a position, usually in the control room, on a worktop or shelf, close to a power point. The power supply unit connects like this, and then feeds through to the rear of the charger like this. Turn on the power. The green light will illuminate here. Now put the battery into the headsets. Holding the headset like this, find the recess on the outer plastic cover. Pull it up. The cover comes off. Remove the protective tape and push the battery into the slot. It only goes one way. Put the plastic cover back on, push down, and it will click when closed. Then put the headset into one of the charging ports. When in the charger, the headset will pulse blue every 10 seconds, which will signify that the battery is charging. Next, you should identify a location to mount the base station. You're looking for a position on the wall about 6 feet from the floor that's close to a power socket and unobstructed by pillars, return walls, cupboards or large equipment. It's a transmitter, and so the more open the space around it, the better. Whether locating it in the OR itself or in the control room, you should have plenty of range for both areas. Once you've identified a position, connect the power supply like this and power up. Prop the base onto something close by. Don't fix it to the wall yet. The LEDs on the front will illuminate amber for up to 2 minutes while the system initializes, and then turn green when it has synchronized and is ready to use. Next, we register all the headsets to the system. One by one, take the headset out of the charger and hold it to the bottom of the base like this, facing the underside of the base station. You'll see the light on the base flash amber and then turn solid amber like this. At the same time, the headset light will start to pulse more slowly, every 5 seconds like this. Put it back into the charger. Repeat the process with each headset. Leave all the headsets into the charger for a couple of minutes to synchronize with each other and the base. Then they are ready for use. Take one headset, put it on your head and press the talk button like this. The blue light will remain on. When you speak, you will hear your voice in your ear. Walk around the whole area you want to cover and make sure you can hear yourself. If you can, then the base station is giving you full coverage, and so you can fix it to the wall in that location. To attach the base station, remove the adhesive tape on the back like this and fix it to the wall, always this way up. Use a cable tie to tidy the power supply cable. Before you finish, put on each of the headsets in turn. Press the page button and make sure that you can hear yourself. If you can, then the headset is working properly. If you have any further questions, please make contact with Quail Digital through the website.